Dear customer, Ruichi Hardware is a one-stop hardware supplier with 20 years of factory production experience and 10 years of online experience in Alibaba. Our company offers a one-stop OEM/ODM service of product design, mold making, material sorting, flow line production, packaging, quality inspection, transportation to door. We have registered our own trademarks in China, USA, Australia, and other major market countries, achieving global brand sales and services. Our products are of superior quality, with reasonable price and backed by strict quality control and perfect after-sale services. This has earned us the trust and cooperation of many clients. We are specialized in the production and sales of garage door accessories. Our product range includes hinges, center brackets, top roller brackets, rollers, flag brackets, bottom brackets, and more. We have a good management system and have obtained ISO quality system certification. Welcome to visit Ruichi and talk over cooperation.